G'day, Paul from JB here. Now the LG WashTower is your all-in-one compact laundry solution with a single control panel for both units and downloadable wash cycles all from your smartphone. Your favourite outfit is in great hands. Intelligent washer and dryer takes the guesswork out of setting up thanks to smart pairing. With the two units controlled from the same control panel, they're essentially able to talk to each other. Whatever cycle you choose to wash your clothes in will then update the dryer to know the correct dry settings to dry them, so your dry cycle is now perfectly matched to what you just washed. All you need to do is move your clothes from one to the other. The LG WashTower combines the controls of both the washer and dryer into one central, easy-to-use control panel, which also makes the overall size much more compact than traditional double-stacked combos to neatly fit into more homes. This also puts it at a much more reachable and accessible height compared to stacked units. The LG app allows you to remotely control and monitor your WashTower. You can check on the wash or dry cycle so you never forget a load, or schedule your washing to take advantage of off-peak electricity times. You can even download extra wash cycles from a whole range of options to suit the clothes that you like to wear. This means you get the perfect cycle for your outfits. For example, a diesel mechanic and an accountant should probably wash their work clothes differently, right? For a 12 kilo washer and a 9 kilo dryer, the LG WashTower is really efficient. The dryer brings a whole new level of efficiency to the table with a huge 9-star energy rating and comes decked out with all the latest tech to keep itself clean in the process. It also has dual lint filters to catch any build-up during a cycle, and even has an auto-cleaning condenser which repurposes extracted water from the clothes you're drying to clean the condenser, so you don't have to. Along with pre-warming heat pumps so it's ready to use immediately after washing. Here's a cool fact. Ever need an outfit or school uniform cleaned in a hurry? The LG WashTower comes with a feature called Wash Quick and Dry Quick, where you can pop in a few items and have them washed, dried and ready to wear in only 59 minutes. For more info on the LG WashTower, pop by your local JB or visit jbhifi.com.au.